me see if I can try to analyze and understand the the culture of music. Music supposed to draw people together. Music over the years used as a gap, no, used as a bridge to mend fences. Michael Jackson's song, We Are the World. I him sing We Are the World, Chris? We Are the Children?
Yes.
Yeah.
I know Michael Jackson. I would
Eh?
about 50 artists here.
Okay, but Michael sing it too.
Yeah, Michael was.
Right. Bob Marley used music around the world. And music used around the world as a tool to bridge gaps. Jamaica music culture over the years has been very decisive, if that's the correct word, very violent, very antagonistic. That would cause people like me who love music so much not to partake in certain musical vibes. However, Kartel started out on the music scene as very violent, in that he had a lot of conflict with other artists. For instance, Ninja Man, that him slap him, and with that I lost respect for him. And the Jamaican music was in turmoil. All right. Kartel went to prison for 13 years and came back. And what a difference. He's friendly, he's uniting groups and bridging gaps and going around the world and meeting and greeting and selling out stadium back to back. So he had a lot of purses in his corner. Bennie Man, on the other hand, never go to prison yet. They hear all him life. Just a walk up and down in a jacket suit and felt hat and necktie. Not train nobody. Not vibes with nobody. Just a walk up and down and a sing all by himself. Because I went to one stage show in the last 20 years, and it's Bennie Man show I went to. Bennie Man All Hits Party I went to. That's why we did go again, Chris Camp. Somewhere so. Because I love Bennie Man. Yeah, man, love Bennie Man. But what is Bennie Man doing to dance hall? Based on what I'm seeing now is that Bennie Man is loaded with envy and bitterness and creating havoc. Why Bennie Man wasn't a part of Kartel thing? Why Bennie Man wasn't backstage a signed contract and a meet and greet? What is this bitterness over the years that him a go cry say Kartel come out and never call him and want take away dancehall king? Is Bennie Man create the dancehall king position? So Carleen was queen and him is king and the position have to die with Bennie Man? Bennie Man is creating his show in New York, I think, May 24th. Is this a flip off Kartel's show? Then this look good? Me don't know, I'm just asking, you know. Then this look good? Like Bennie Man a one man against the world. Why Bennie Man is so perturbed? Why Bennie Man have so much problem? Kartel came off the scene for 13 years. Why Bennie Man never capitalize on those 13 years and hammer it? Why is Bennie Man in this whole heap of rat race and this whole heap of conflict and I try to divide dancehall further? It not work. The new Kartel come out and change the thing. Yeah, man, the thing change. But let us see what will happen with his concert May 24th. I think it's too early right on Kartel's concert tail. Why didn't he put his own little August so it no look so ready I am bad mind? Or did he set his date before Kartel? Me don't know, me just ask, but it just not look good. Bennie Man just walk up and down in a jacket and necktie and suit and just walk up and down with one whole heap of bitterness. Can you imagine if him did big instructor?